Alright my friends, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we are unboxing some shoes sent by our friends from Soulsfeng. Thank you so much guys for sending me this little gift. Let's open this baby up. Got rid of the bag. Ooh, let's check out this box. Soulsfeng, New York. So this is the place. If you guys want to place an order, you may want to contact them. There's a QR code, so if you want to go ahead and scan it, take a picture, screenshot it, do what you gotta do. Big shout out to Soulsfeng. Thank you guys for sending me these shoes. Look. Nice, this is cool. Information, some information on the side. They're made in China, and I have then there's different sizes right there. Fantastic. All right, let's open this baby up. Ooh, oh, we got some gifts, some additional gifts in here. Okay. Already making a mess. Does it come out all the way? I don't think so. So I think the box locks in there. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at this. Graffiti sneakers. Nice. So take a look at that, guys. This is like a little pamphlet slash information, I guess. Brochure. This is nice. Ooh, I like the design. This is quite unique. These are some amazing kicks. I'll be doing a photo shoot in the next few days for them, so appreciate it guys. I'm excited. Hopefully I can get some more. We got some socks. Friendly feature sneakers. Environment friendly. These are environment friendly. That is quite amazing. Let's take a look at this. I don't want to damage the packaging. Let's see if I can slide it without damaging. There it is. Let's check out the socks. Fantastic. I like it. They're pretty good material. Seems comfortable. I like it. Thank you guys. That's pretty awesome. Onto the shoes. Ooh, look at this. Alright. Let's see what else is in here. Nothing else is in here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we got the box. Right, we got the box. We got the socks that were wrapped in this little paper wrap belt, I guess. We got the brochure. Quite amazing, I like it. And then we got the shoes. We got this inside of the shoe to help with the shape. Okay, we got the little loop helper in the back so you can put on the shoe easily. We got yellow laces. I'm checking the sole inside. It feels quite comfortable. That's pretty cool. Another detail that I see is this little rubber band in here. See it? to help the is that the thong to be in place. So you get the logo inside. It's pretty cool. Okay, is this like, this is a weird accent thing here. Is this like foam, or I wonder what it is. Huh, interesting. I hope there's no leakage. This part feels quite good. Feels pretty good. We got this on the side. I like the design here. They quite bright, so if you wanna call attention, there it is. I like them. You get your tag in a weird place though, right here. Usually they're here, but I guess they don't wanna, you know, mess up the design with tagging here. I think it kind of works. That's fine. It's hidden right here. Not too bad. So it works out. That's quite. I like him. I like him. Something really different. Of course, they're more towards street look, streetwear. There's this little nice design over here. I like it. So you get the, instead of having the little holes in here, you get this little I guess loop laces. They're tied up over here. Goes all the way down to the design. It's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. I like it. Does it feel like a premium shoe? That is debatable. The design feels quite unique, so that's a plus. But I don't know. The texture when you touch it, it feels alright. I wonder what the materials are. We have to take them on a spin once we do the photo shoot for them, and then I'll give you a more honest and educated guess or conclusion, I guess. But so far I like them. They're quite unique. Not everybody has this sort of shoes, and if you want uniqueness, I think this is the route to take. Don't forget guys, we are gonna take this on a spin after we do the photo shoot. So remember, there's 3 portions of these videos. We got the unboxing part, then we go onto the couch and talk about the feeling of it, maybe some of the specs, and after that we'll do a off the couch, which is you know, take a first spin, see how it feels, do a photo shoot, maybe shoot a video, we'll see. And that's it for me today guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below if you think these are cool or not. Give me your opinion. I'll be more than happy to read those comments. Big shout out to my friends at Soulsfeng. Thank you so much for sending me those shoes. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.